to show our secret to everyone.
The outcome of this. This right here is a husband, and he will be the one making the omelette because
Of course.
I don't know how to make omelette.
Of course, that's very nice.
So if he's not around, I won't eat omelette. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. See you guys. I'll show you guys what he's doing right now.
Yes.
No,
What are you going to do?
I'm not making salad.
You're just lazy.
I'm not making salad.
Yeah, we're going to do it tomorrow. Anyway. I'm my wife. Okay, love. Anyway, love. Love.
Big love.
We can buy that. I'm going to get it.
Which butter did you use before?
I used frozen butter, but we had defrosted butter.
Like you have a soft butter, right?
Yes, I had frozen butter. And I put a bit more in pots.
So guys, we are going to eat omelette. Is it
Omelette.
omelette?
Omelette.
Russian people say it's omelette, but it's supposed to be omelette. Right or wrong?
It's not right. It's extremely useful.
For what? Why?
Because you will have to use a spoon and you have to move and cut the omelette into pieces when you are cooking.
Okay.
And you have to put this spoon somewhere. And if you put it over there,
Can't you use knife to cut it?
No. You will destroy already destroyed pan, and it will not work. It's not actually that easy to cook this omelette. And you have to put the spoon on the plate.
Okay.
So on the farther plate, omelette will not.
Great achievement, right?
Omelette will achieve.
Yeah, it's for you. Great achievement for you, not for me. That is not an achievement. That is not an achievement.
Don't worry, amazing achievement for you will be after you will cook 3 salads today or tomorrow.
You say what?
3 salads. 3 salads, meat and soup.
Who will cook it?
You will cook it. Show it as a secret procedure. So you want to show our secret to everyone.
Whoa! The omelette is ready.
It's not ready. I swear, I don't know how to cook.
What do you mean I don't know how to cook it?
Because it's not ready. It's not ready. It's not ready. It's not ready. It's not ready.
You know that my husband's favorite word is divorce. My husband's favorite word is divorce. But you know he's not going to divorce me. We die here. We die here. Babe, it's not the meaning of we die here. Die here means I'm going to stay here long. What did you do to the omelette?
I'm the father of the omelette.
Oga.
Father and mother.
Oga, what do you do to omelette? Guys, he's making omelette and he's calculating the outcome of the omelette.
Okay, now after you did that, you should split.
Okay. Well done. Well done. So how many minutes are we going to wait?
1 minute.
Okay.
We'll take.
I'm so sorry, boo boo.
Okay.
My love.
Tomorrow
It's
you will
with
show.
you.
You will show how to cook it. How a chicken.
Babe, it's not possible.
We will compare.
No. Omelette is your thing, so you continue cooking omelette. Ew. I don't know.
No problem.
Very good. You listen to the wife. They're obedient. Go on, babe. Why did you look at me like that?
I'm cooking. The omelette is ready, and it's like that. Do you see? Look. It's here. It's raising up.
Mm-hmm.
And when it's like that, it's ready.
Finally!
Yes.
Finally! I will eat my omelette with. Babe, I'm eating my omelette with.
With jam or kielbasa?
No, with jam. I think with jam, we make tea. And what?
Maybe you want coffee, I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Maybe it's coffee.
Bobby is setting the table. You don't move the table.
Why?
Leave it like that.
We move back after we lose it. Okay, I really like that. Okay. Just for the wife.
Good. Well done, mister.
Taking coffee for you.
Mwah.
Okay.
Need another kiss. It's been long I ate omelette.
Yes, and the same is for me. I want to
It's
eat.
been long I ate omelette. Without hobby making omelette,
Yes.
I won't make omelette because I don't know how to do it, and he knows how to do the whole process. Oga. Oga. Oh.
It's not everything.
It's not the meaning of Oga. Oga means sir. Why are you laughing? It's not funny.
What is that?
Sir. S-I-R.
Sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
The omelet is nice.
There. The way. This done.
Хорош.
Crazy Tima.
Bakanlığa başvuru kaçırmak istemiyorum.
Guys, I think I will just end this video here because I don't have so many things to do and my husband just left the house. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and turn that post notification bell on. Turn that fucking bell on in case I drop a new video. And I'll see you guys later on my next video.